Hello everyone, this is Sonia here from GrowingCraft, and today we are going to do some decoupage work. But meanwhile, do check out our website growingcraft.com for all craft supplies. Now here is an old plastic container on which we are going to do decoupage. Meanwhile, do subscribe to our channel and coming back to our tutorial. So here we are going to do decoupage on a plastic container, and we are going to make a beautiful DIY planter at home. So here I am using my gesso to prep up my base. So whatever the supplies I'm using are there on our website at growingcraft.com. You guys can check that. Now whenever we do decoupage art, we have to make sure that we prep up our base, and for prepping up our base we all need gesso. And yes, please do not use your acrylic paints because gesso is required. Now here I have picked up this beautiful decoupage napkin for my decoupage art. If you want, you can even use your decoupage papers, magazines cutouts or rice papers also. Now once I am done with the selection of the napkin, usually I decide on which pattern I want to use for my decoupage art. And as it's a beautiful planter what I'm making for my living room, so I just thought of using something similar in that pattern. Towards the end of the video, we are going to use a lot of elements in our tutorial. So please do stay tuned till end. Do not miss out any of these steps. Now here I am just using my brush water technique to remove the beautiful pattern from the napkin, which we are going to use for our decoupage art. Now there are different ways of doing decoupage art, and this is one of them. If you want to learn the detailed videos about decoupage art, the mixed media art, do check out our YouTube channel for more and more videos and tutorials. Now after removing all the layers of my napkin, here is my final design. Now sticking this to my base is very important, and for this I am going to use my decoupage glue. You can even use your Mod Podge. Both of them are same. A bit of difference is there, of course. You can check that on our YouTube channel. We have done a lot of detailed tutorials on each supplies which is used for decoupage art, and I really hope that it is going to help you guys. Do check out those videos and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Now this is one of the easiest way of using any old plastic container, recycling it, reusing it, and literally giving a quick makeover for your living room, for your dining room. And DIYs are one of the best thing what you can do. So here I am adding my decoupage glue and my Mod Podge on every inch and corner, just to make sure that my napkin sticks to my DIY planter base really well. So here I'm using my paintbrush, and once I was done with that, quickly I wanted to add some elements to it. So here I'm using my air dry clay, my silicone mold, and I'm going to make my own embellishments. Now if you want to play around with resin, you are very much welcome to do that, but I really like clay, so that's the reason I thought of having my clay. So just in case if you want to make your resin embellishments, do check out our YouTube channel where we have done a resin embellishments which can be easily folded and can be done in any shape you want, and I'm sure that you guys are going to love that too. So here I'm quickly making my DIY embellishments with air dry clay and my silicone mold, and they are looking super cute and super gorgeous. So once I am done with this, then I'm going to directly stick this. Now usually whenever you are doing your decoupage art, you try to dry out every layer before doing the next work. That is very important with your decoupage and your mixed media art. Now for sticking my clay silicone mold embellishments, I am going to use my decoupage glue only. You can even use your Mod Podge. Trust me, you do not have to buy any super expensive adhesives which you see in the market, because your decoupage glue is something which is really good. That's the reason it is said that do not use your Fevicol when you are doing your decoupage art, because Mod Podge and decoupage glue are like meant for the authentic decoupage art. So once I'm done with this, I am going to use my gesso again, and I'm going to make sure that I cover up my clay molds and the embellishments really well. Now all the supplies whatever I'm using are there on our website at growingcraft.com. Please do visit our website too for the best craft supplies. Now once I am done with like covering all my layers of my clay embellishments, then we will be moving on to the next step. Now just again I really want to tell you guys that check out our YouTube channel. We have done like more than 800 videos, and they are like absolutely amazing. And I really feel happy about the feedbacks what you guys have given me, and then how our channel has turned out over the years. Now here I wanted to add a lot of texture to my base, just so that I can do some nice color blending. So here I have taken up my modeling paste. So usually what happens is your modeling paste dries out really fast. So that's the reason I try to take some modeling paste on my color palette or my glass plate, and then I use it. So this really helps in not drying my excessive modeling paste. So this is one of the techniques which you guys can use. So this is my technique. Let me know which is your way of not letting your modeling paste dry so quickly. Now here, with the help of a palette knife, I am adding a lot of texture. This is looking so bland right now, but just wait until we start with the color blending technique, and you guys will be so amazed. At the end of this tutorial, I have uploaded few pictures of this project, the finished project, and I'm sure you guys are going to love that, so do check that too. Now once my modeling paste and everything has dried out, it's time to do a lot of color blending. So I really like the pink and white color combination, but I just wanted to add some yellow touch up to it, and so that it looks like a bunch of flowers around. So here I'm just adding some more color blending around with a lot of blues, pink, and gold, and a little darker blue, and trust me, it's looking gorgeous. So you can choose a color palette as per your decoupage napkin. If you are going for something very rustic, you can choose blacks and browns of chalk paints. And yes, did I forget to tell you, please use your chalk paints. Do not use your acrylic paints when it comes to your decoupage and your mixed media art. So here it's looking really gorgeous, and honestly I did not even imagine that my flower pot is going to pop out so well, and it's looking super gorgeous. My flowers are looking super gorgeous. So once I am done with this, I'm just going to add a bit of metallic chalk paint just to add a little more touch up. If you want, you can even use your metallic waxes, even those work out really well. So I'm just using here my dry brush technique, and meanwhile do check out us on Instagram and Facebook too. And finally here I'm adding my transfer sheet. Ye to banta hai boss. So yeah, adding my transfer sheet, just a cute little coat, and like I said, you can check a huge collection of transfer sheets on our website at growingcraft.com. And this technique is like super easy, one of the easiest way if you're a beginner. Even if you're in advanced level, I think these are really cool. So once I'm done with this, I'll just seal it up with my varnish, like at least 2 to 3 coats of varnish on my complete pot. And here my DIY decoupage plastic planter is ready. So what are you waiting for? Take out your old planters and give them a makeover now. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye-bye.